Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone GPS not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is toggle location services because it might be turned off. Simply go ahead and open your settings. Then you want to simply go ahead and scroll down until you find privacy and security. Finally, tap on location services and make sure that this is turned on. If that is not the case, you might want to go ahead and reset all of your settings. So in order to do that, open your settings tab, then scroll down to general. Scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. This is where you want to tap on reset all settings at the top. This will go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then you might just need to update your iOS. Again, go to your settings and go inside of general, tap on software update and make sure it is updated. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.